Hey everyone, I am back again for this week so that you guys can get an idea of what you're going to be doing for the next 7 days. 8 technically for today because I'm opening up the assignments a little bit early. So I'm going to start with Blackboard. You guys are going to have 4 different things that are set up here. Oh, 5 actually, I'm sorry. The very first thing that you're going to do is you're going to have to go through the lesson. If you click on the lesson, it will give you one page that breaks down exactly what you're going to be doing this week. Obviously, the video is not there yet because I'm recording the video right now. So this week you're going to be reading the novel, or the first part of the novel of Things Fall Apart by Chinua Achebe. You're only reading chapters 1 and 2. I will most likely post a video reading the first small section of chapter 1, mainly because I want you to know what the names sound like, and just kind of help you get a hang of what you're reading, because it is, of course, African literature. It's not something that you'll usually read. It's not something that you've probably ever read before, and it's a little different when you're reading it. So very first thing that you're going to do, of course, watch this video. Number 2 is to download the first 4 chapters. You will be reading the first 4 chapters over the next 2 weeks, but only the first 2 this week. Download the assignment document. Make sure you get that saved somewhere because it is a Word document currently. You'll need to make sure you save it in your Google Docs, because if you type answers on it, it's not going to save unless you've saved it in your Google Docs. The next thing you're going to do before reading, that's important, before reading, complete the vocabulary assignment. You'll do it on that one document. All of the work that you're doing is in that document. Don't transfer it to another document or anything like that. Make sure it's all in that one document. Then you're going to read chapters 1 and 2. Then you'll answer the journal question, which is here in Blackboard. Okay, so we'll go back to that real quick so you guys can get an idea of what that looks like. My internet's running a little slow today. So here it says journal question number 1. When you click on it, it asks what important information have we learned about our main character, Okonkwo, and what assumptions can we make about how his character will develop through the rest of the novel. At least 1 paragraph, not 1 sentence, not 2 sentences, at least a paragraph. So if we go back to the lesson real quick. Your final step after completing that journal question is to complete the 6 comprehension questions. Those are important just so that I know that you understood what you were reading, and of course so you understand what you were reading. And we'll probably talk about those. I'll host a discussion on them next week, but that won't be what we'll do this week, okay? So when you open the assignment, I'm not going to open it directly from Blackboard because I already have it downloaded, so I'll do that now since my internet's running a little slow. So this is what the page is going to look like. It'll give you the title, Things Fall Apart, Week 1 work. This is the exact same instructions that I put in the lesson, just in case you somehow missed that. Whatever. And then if you scroll down, very first thing is your vocabulary assignment. It wants you to read the sentences carefully and write what you think the bolded words mean underneath it. So of course you'll have to enter and write what you think it means, okay? And then when you go down a little farther, okay, if you go down the next page, of course, is continued vocabulary. This is just a match. Now that you've written what you believe you think those words mean, you'll do a matching game basically down at the bottom. And then there's the 6 questions for chapters 1 and 2. Okay, so those are the 4 pages for the assignments for this week. See if this finally made it back. Okay, so you've got your lesson, you've got the novel, you've got your assignments, the journal question, and then you have this week 1 assignment submission. Please make sure that you submit the correct copy of the assignments, because some of you have been uploading blank documents. I can't exactly grade blank documents, and yes, these assignments are graded, so please do your best. Ask questions. I am always available through Remind, through that phone number that I gave you guys, which I really would prefer that you use. And I, of course, am available on Wednesdays and Fridays for video conferencing, just in case you want to talk about it a little bit. Maybe you just want to talk about whatever for a little while, just to break the monotony of the day. It's fine. I am available for video conferencing via Skype or FaceTime or Zoom. We may even start using Collaborate here on Blackboard, just so it makes it a little easier, because you guys have access to Blackboard already. Okay, so I think that is it. If you have any questions about anything, please let me know. Send me a message. I will upload another video sometime soon. All of those assignments are due in 8 days, actually, because today's Tuesday. Technically, my work begins tomorrow, so next Wednesday at 11:59. Okay, so I will see you guys soon.